In today's hyper-connected and fast-paced world, it seems we're constantly on edge. Whether it's a missed deadline, unexpected bills piling up, or frustrating conversations with loved ones, we're bombarded with stressors daily. But here's the kicker. It's not these events that truly upset us, it's our reaction to them. Have you ever realized you've lost your cool over something someone said? Or perhaps you felt trapped in a storm of anger that seemed too big to handle? Don't worry, because you're not alone. In this roller coaster of life, staying composed is like trying to balance on a tightrope. But with the right tools, you can master this art and navigate through any situation with grace. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey towards becoming the calm in any storm. Welcome to our channel, your place for mental health tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial yet often overlooked: how to stop getting upset so easily. But before we dive in, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more enlightening content. Let's start by debunking a myth. We often blame others or external circumstances for our negative emotions. For example, when someone cuts us off in traffic, we yell and brake hard. Why? Because their action triggered our anger. But hold on a second. Our anger doesn't come from the traffic. It comes from our reaction to the traffic. Once we realize this, a huge shift happens. Instead of being a victim of circumstances, we become the author of our emotional story. So what exactly causes us to get upset? Why do certain things affect us so deeply? To answer this question, let's look at a recent study published in Frontiers in Psychology. Researchers explored the neural basis of anger in adults. Using MRI technology, they examined brain activity while participants were shown a series of human faces expressing different emotions. The study revealed that specific regions of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex and insula, were activated when participants saw angry or fearful faces. These areas are associated with processing social information and emotional stimuli. The study concluded that our brain's response to emotional cues is automatic and influenced by our past experiences and learned associations. Simply put, our brain has a hardwired response to certain emotions like fear or anger. So why do we react so strongly to some things? Well, it's because our brains have been programmed throughout our lives to associate certain things with specific emotions. For example, if someone shouts at us, our brain may associate that with fear or danger based on past experiences or upbringing. As a result, when someone raises their voice in the future, our brain automatically triggers a fear response. It's like our brain shouting, "Danger, run away, or fight." However, this response isn't always accurate or helpful. Sometimes a raised voice is just that, a raised voice without any real threat, but our brain doesn't know that. It only knows what it's been programmed to know. Now here's the million-dollar question. Can we change these associations? Can we reprogram our brain to not react so easily? Absolutely, we're not victims of our programming. We can change it. This is where the power of our mind comes in. Through awareness, repetition, and conscious effort, we can create new pathways in our brain, leading to less reactivity and more peace. If you want to learn how to be calm when others are upset, keep watching. Here's a practical tool to help you stop getting upset so easily. It's called the Pause, Observe, Shift tool. It's very simple. When you feel anger or frustration rising, pause for 5 seconds. Take a deep breath. This breaks the automatic fight or flight loop. Next, observe what's happening. Ask yourself, what just got triggered in me? Was it my pride, my fear of being disrespected, or something deeper? Finally, shift your response. Instead of reacting, choose to respond consciously. You might choose silence, ask a question, or even a simple smile instead of lashing out. This tool gives you space to think before you act, helping you avoid saying or doing things you might regret later. Let's look at a common scenario that might trigger your anger. Picture this. You're driving home after a long day and you're stuck in traffic. Suddenly, a car cuts you off. Your immediate reaction might be to honk and swear, but let's apply our pause, observe, shift tool. You feel anger rising, so you pause, take a deep breath. Now you observe. You realize that your anger isn't about the car, it's about feeling stressed and having a need to control the situation. Finally, you shift. Instead of reacting angrily, you choose to let it go. You realize that maintaining your calm is more important than winning this pointless argument. By doing so, you not only diffuse the situation, but also protect your own peace of mind. Now that you've learned a powerful tool to manage your emotions, let's explore a fascinating aspect of those who seem to remain calm in the face of adversity. What's the secret behind their composure? Are they simply born with it, or is there something more to it? Interestingly, research suggests that staying calm is a habit, not a trait. According to Dr. John Gottman, a renowned relationship psychologist, it's not genetics, but rather 4 essential habits that contribute to emotional resilience. Let's dive into these habits. Number 1, mindfulness meditation. Regular practice of mindfulness meditation has been proven to increase emotional regulation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. By cultivating a mindful state, one can better observe their emotions without judgment, fostering a sense of calmness. Number 2, emotional journaling. Keeping a journal to regularly express and process one's emotions can lead to emotional release and clarity. This practice allows individuals to externalize their feelings, reducing their emotional burden and promoting a sense of calm. Number 3, setting healthy boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries in personal and professional relationships is crucial for managing emotional health. By setting limits and protecting one's emotional space, individuals can prevent others from inadvertently upsetting them. Number 4, positive self-talk. Replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations and self-compassion can significantly impact one's emotional state. By consciously choosing positive self-talk, one can cultivate inner peace and resilience. Can you relate to any of these habits? Do you find yourself getting upset over small things frequently? Feel free to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Your stories might resonate with others who are going through similar situations. Additionally, we would love to hear any other strategies that have worked for you in staying calm and composed. Together, we can create a supportive community where everyone feels empowered to manage their emotions effectively. As we wrap up this journey, I want you to remember this. You are the architect of your emotional life. You don't have to be a victim of circumstances or your past experiences. By understanding your triggers and practicing techniques like the yes pause, observe, shift tool and incorporating habits like emotional journaling and mindfulness meditation, you can pave the way for a calmer, more peaceful existence. The road to emotional mastery is like any other journey. It requires commitment, practice, and patience. But the destination, a life filled with inner peace and resilience, is worth every step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more insightful mental health content. And remember, you are not alone on this journey. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals for support. Together, we can create a wave of positivity and emotional well-being. Thanks for joining me on this journey to a calmer you. Until next time, stay well and keep striving for a more peaceful you.